Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add special requests to a flight on the Blade app. And for this, first of all, what we want to do is go to charter and we create a charter. So right now from New York City area to, let's search the Hamptons, or now let's go maybe further, let's go to Los Angeles. Then click now on start a charter request. Do this time, select something, select here something. And then right now, what you can do is when you receive here a special request, write down what you want. So let's say when we arrive at our private jet, we want 10 Don Peri. So, and right now, if you do send inquiry, we send this to the app and then we receive a good offer with our special request. So this is exactly what you need to do if you want a special request to your flight. And this is the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.